Greetings to you all. This is Umkhulahlanganezi Impande. So today I'm just gonna explain more about isithunywa. I know like few people they have isithunywa. They still having this type of dreams, but they still don't understand. They didn't had like things before according to explanation esithunyweni. So namhlanje ngizonichazela nje kakhulu ukuthi as umntwana wesithunywa you will still have some dreams okukhombisa ukuthi wena umntwana wesithunywa phupha amajazi and lelo jazi kumele ukuthi ulithole ulithungise uligqoke ekhaya. Make sure you find a great person, maybe an honest person to make it for yourself, and I'll recommend umuntu omdala ozokuthungela isembatho sakho, umuntu you see. So I prefer those type of people. Just pick anyone who can able to design my spiritual cloth. But then if when you have some people that you trust in near you, it's fine, I won't judge. But as umuntu wabantu abadala, you've been shown beads emaphupheni, put them and tell them you have got those beads and you need to wear them. Don't be afraid to wear your beads. Put them. As you can see, I wear mine and I'm so proud about myself. I will always be proud. And again, if you're dreaming of water, you like not to swim like underwater, but ungaphandle emanzini. Lokho kuchaza ukuthi wena ungumntwana wabantu abadala uhamba nesithunywa. Isithunywa sakho sinamandla. Uphuphe izinkanyezi, uphuphe inyanga, dreaming of stars, dreaming of water maybe above the sea surface, walking above the water. Maybe you see a lot of things like lights, dreaming of yourself singing in front of the people or nearby the church, or you wearing white clothes and you're kneeling down as if like you see an angel. That is a sign, and a big sign that you are spiritually gifted. You are gonna be a prophet or a preacher, maybe just be like a pastor. Zilandelele ngoba amandla maningi futhi labantu banamandla. So phuphe ngazuthi like ungaphandle komhlaba. You seeing different people as if like you're already dead or something. No, labantu basuke bekukhombisa ukuthi thina sinamandla futhi sila sikhona njengamanje. Bayakhipha. It's like you exploring in the universe. You become so powerful in order for you to get to that level. So labantu bakhulu banamandla. Ithunywa zithanda umuntu ohloniphekile futhi osithandayo futhi ozokwenza konke, to willing to leave everything emhlabeni, unakele umuntu kuwe, umfake enhlizweni yakho, izinto zakho yisheshe, ungaziboni izinto zakho zibuyele emuva ngoba labantu bayivala bafithe impilo. Bayayivala impilo, usala ungenalutho ngoba bayifuna ukuthi uye phambili, ubone ukuthi imali iyaphela, ukudla endlini kuyaphela. Kodwa manje I'm still dreaming of this and this and this. Ngizibona ngithwasile noma ngizibona nginesithunywa, ngizibona ngizinani. Labantu just they need only attention and the connection between wena nabo. You see? So ngiyacelana ukuthi umuntu abe nokusiqonda amaphupho akhe awabhekisise. Lamaphupho engiwashoyo, when unesithunywa, you are a messenger. You are so powerful. You can break everything in the spiritual words. So God is near you, not like if other people that are not near. You've been called to do this type of healing. You are a healer, but you're so afraid to accept the gift. You are a healer. You can pray for somebody to be healed. You can speak to existence, to the particular person, in order for him or she to be healed. Okay? So believe in yourself. This is the time where you have to decide to take this part of the process according to the spiritual way. Allow them to own you. Allow them to own you, and you have to own them by attracting them. Show that you're willing to start everything, not just to expect some money sooner or anything that you expected from them sooner, but by giving your life to them, they will give their lives. I mean, when I'm saying their life, they've been here before. Some of them, they were heartbreakers, rich, intelligent. You see, like they were so amazing. So you need to allow those type of ancestors. It shouldn't have to be a temporal thing. It should have to be a permanent thing. Okay, like, to be honest to you guys, it's been a hard time for me, but I just gave myself to them, and it was so amazing because I wanted to know everything about spirituality. I wanted to know more. I was always asking, and I still keep asking a lot of questions from them because I want to know more. I want to have lots and lots of information. That is why I'm always sharing something that I got from my ancestors, because they're speaking the world. They're speaking about every type of thing that lives in this earth. So they speak about healing. They speak about how to pray for somebody. They explain a lot of things because I was so clueless before, but now I know. I know how to lift up someone who is so spiritual as well, like me, but he or she doesn't know. I know how to see things because I've been learning and learning and listening, and yeah, it's been a hard time though. It's hard, but you need to give yourself to them first in order to live life. So yeah, if you see yourself wearing maybe ijazi got stars and moon, ithunya zomkhathi, you connect kakhulu nezulu with rain. You use rain for healing, you to uplift the energy, the good energy from yourself. And you dreaming yourself walking in the mountain, and you end up being climbing until you reach there. It shows that you have ithunya sentaba. Okay, ithunya sentaba. They pray in mountains. You have iladi from the mountain. There is inkonzo from the mountain that you start with. If unesithunya sentaba, ukhuleka entabeni, kwenziwe iladi, ugqokiswe khona entabeni, all those type of things. There has a lot of types of ithunya, zamanzi, intaba, isiZulu. You see, khombisa when you connect with that type of things. Ingakho amaphupho akho azokukhombisa ukuthi who you are. Okay, who you are. Amajazi can speak. Ijazi nje eli-green, isithunya sentaba leso. Isithunya sentaba, you belong entabeni. Bona isithunya samanzi, blue and white, isithunya samanzi, ijazi lakhona. Okay, so there are a lot of them. Isithunya zomkhathi, they wear amajazi like inkanyezi, amajazi anenkanyezi, iphambano kakhulu, and behind the berg, all those things. They shows ukuthi wena ungumntwana onjani, you belong. Khona amajazi thothi ijazi eli red and white, or red mhlawumbe libe nesiphambano. Your spiritual being, isithunya sakho sona lesikwembethe, sizonqoba, sizoqala sinqobe ngaleli jazi, ukhombisa ukuthi lizosusa yonke imoya ekuso nekuwe, kungabi khona into ezophazamisa. So this is why you're gonna use red and white ijazi or isembatho. You are a fighter in a spiritual way. In prayer, lamaphupho azokutshela ukuthi wena uyini as a person. Ngiyacela ukuthi ke siwasebenzise, siwanake, siwalalele, siweze ukuthi wona thini. So don't forget to like and subscribe in order for you to see my more videos. subscribe. So I will share and keep on sharing a lot of information for you guys. And if you have a comment or you want to ask something, you can able to ask. I'm free to respond.